Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD Japanese and GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD New Zealand dollar US dollar for 9th March 2021 Tuesday. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. You can check the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs, and please subscribe to my channel for daily analysis. Okay. So right now we can see that our market is trading at 0.7161. Okay. And market was in uptrend. Before that, market was in consolidation. There was no trend on the market. After that, market went up and market faced some heavy selling pressure. As a result, it had to come down again. Market consolidated for a while and market came down again, and right now market is trading here. So if I zoom out the chart, okay, you can see that there is support, good amount of support available at this point. Okay, let me draw a line here. So this is the support market is having right now. Okay. But I would like to draw one more line here. So for me, this is the no trading zone. Okay, this is the no trading zone. Okay, you do not need to trade in this range. In case market slips, okay, in case market slips and crosses this line, okay, then you just see how the market or how the price is reacting. Okay, if you see that price is being supported by volume, good selling pressure from above, okay, then you just wait for 1 hour, just see whether the selling pressure is heavy or not. Okay, if you see that okay, there is good selling pressure, okay, it's been an hour or more than 1 hour, okay, and market has really crossed the line, the support has become the resistance, okay, then you can short the market here. Or otherwise, if you find the market trading in this range, I'll say that you should stay away from the market. There are plenty of currency pairs available where you can make money. And on the other hand, if market crosses this level, okay, again you should be waiting for at least 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support. Let the market trade comfortably above the resistance. Okay, and um, if you see that market has given a small breakout, okay, market the price is trading above this line, and if you see that this 50 moving average is below the price, okay, let me draw again. There are candles here, okay, and 50 moving average is like this, okay, then also you can go ahead and buy. Okay, whatever, you do not need to trade in this zone. This is your no trading zone. Only buy above this line. If you feel that okay, market is trading above the level comfortably, okay, then only go ahead and buy. Wait for 1 hour at least. Similarly, if market crosses this line, wait for 1 hour and see how the selling pressure. Okay, and if you buy, then this will be your target. So right now market is in no trading zone. Just wait for the market to either cross this level or this level. Whatever, confirmation is very important. You can take the confirmation of volume or any indicator of your own choice. That's completely up to you. But as of now, I'll tell you to avoid the market as the market is in no trading zone. So this is the simple analysis of New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 9th March 2021. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and check out my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye bye.